Hey, Ride Reviews, how y'all doing? Hope all is well, staying safe, doing all that good stuff. Got an epic review for y'all today. Got a 2018 Honda Civic Sport Touring. Absolutely awesome car, as y'all can see. I'll get more into it when I actually do the review. Touch screen, all that good stuff. Very, very nice. Over here at the used car supermarket, West Tennessee. Take it around the block real quick, pull it back to my spot where I do my reviews at, and I'm very excited about this one. I hope you guys are safe. Don't fear coronavirus. Just pray, do the best you can, take care of your family, take care of yourself, and you know, try to live your life as best as you can. So without further ado, spin this bad boy around the block, and I'll be right back with y'all. Ride Reviews, how y'all doing today? How's everything going? Write down in the comments how y'all doing. Hope all is well. I got an exciting review for y'all today. I got a 2018 Honda Civic Touring Sport. Right behind me, you see it? Right over there. Right shoulder. Very nice car. Y'all check it out. Like it? Very low miles. It's got 7,000 miles on it. You got it out the shop here. 7,000 miles on it. Very clean, very nice black leather, all kind of goodies on it. Nice black wheels from the factory. Leather interior, sunroof is fully loaded. Come and see my crew over here at the used car supermarket across from Dale Earnhardt Jr. Like I always tell y'all, if y'all can find Dale Earnhardt Jr., you can find this lot right here. It's right here next to the University Green Apartments, Bicycle Road in West Tennessee, just before you get to Walmart. Y'all come by and check this one out. This is a very nice vehicle. Hatchback, like I said, leather sunroof. It's got all the options. It's got the cameras all over. I noticed when I drove it over here, you took the turn signal on, there's a camera in the right rear view mirror. It actually shows up on the screen up there. Please check your surroundings first. But like I said, at least you know that this vehicle has it. I know it's tough times for everybody. I know things ain't where we want it to be. But God still wants us to prosper. He still wants us to enjoy our lives, even though there's a bunch of craziness going around in this world. Just stay prayed up. Ask him for you want. He can get you what you want. Used car supermarket can get you what you want. Come check this one out. So without further ado, let's hop into this review. I'm gonna jump in the interior, check everything out, go over some of the features that I saw. Touchscreen, nav, reverse cameras, all kind of goodies in there. So y'all hold on for 1 second. Let me move this camera around. And then we'll hop into this review. I want to go really in depth with this one. First thing, I want to go over some of the exterior features on this thing. First thing you notice when you're behind it, after you see the used car supermarket used car tag on here, you notice that it has dual exhaust from the factory. Right there, dual tip, kind of like the SI has. Then pop up the lift gate. Up here you got your reverse camera. I'll try to point it out to y'all right here. Y'all can see that. That's your reverse camera. Check out this cargo space. I'm gonna give y'all another hit of this when I do the interior review, but I did want to show y'all this real quick. This is the cargo space in this thing. This is with the seats folded up. And then back here it has a factory sub, which I can't really test out. Y'all already know the deal with YouTube and all these other forums that I post this stuff up. You don't want to get any copyright issues. So let's check this out. I want to show y'all these wheels from the factory. Continental Contra Pro contacts. They are 18-inch, nice black wheels there. I mean, this has all the body kits and everything, just like the SI. It's really nice. Here, I want to show y'all this real quick. Another exterior feature. There is your camera that I was telling you about. When you turn the turn signal on, I'm gonna show it up on the navigation screen. This camera actually turns on with the right turn signal before you change your lane, kind of a blind spot deal. You got your LED turn signals in the mirrors, another exterior feature. And you come up here, this front end is really nice. You have your LED turn signals. You got some really nice headlights here. You got your fog lights down here. I mean, it's got a functional air scoop right here, as y'all can see. I mean, this thing is like fully loaded. Got a blacked out grill. I just want to like go over some of the exterior stuff. Then I'm gonna hop in here to the interior and show you the things that are in there. Y'all give me 1 second. I'm gonna hop inside, go over a couple of features and stuff. If y'all can hear me, it's real windy out here, pollen blowing everywhere. Those are some of the exterior features of the interior stuff. There's your Honda steering wheel. Got all your controls here. Some more controls over here. There's the big nav screen I was telling you all about. And I want y'all to see this real quick. This is how I know this is a sport vehicle. These are your pedals. And it's got all work. But these are your pedals. They have the sport pedals in there. Just want to let y'all see this, man. It's very nice. Carbon fiber on the dash. Nice interior back here. Sunroof. Let me pop that open. You know how I feel about sunroofs. It's just fully loaded. So I just wanted to go over a couple things. I'm gonna fire it up. I'm gonna turn my camera around so y'all can see what I see, and we'll just go from there. I am in this beautiful interior. Nice black leather. Nice materials. Smells brand new in here. Nice soft touch materials here. Y'all excuse my hand, had to get stitches. Got injured at work. Here's some carbon fiber stuff here. Soft touch materials here. Express up and down mirrors here. This thing is fully loaded. It's got your collision control, traction control, lane departure control. It's got everything. It's got tweeters up here in the headrest. Let me crank this thing up for y'all. So you got your keys, right? Which, if all works out well, these keys will and can be your key. There's all the information about the car. I wasn't driving when I told you what it has. Nice remote. Got remote start, all that good stuff on there. So if you have the keys on you, then you just come over here, hit your start button, make sure your feet are on the brake. It lights up red. Look at this. Look at this display. All digital display. Watch this. So I give it a little, rev it up a little bit. Digital display. It's got your fuel stuff there. All kind of different stuff. You can go through these different menus. As you can see right here, I'm gonna try to turn the radio down. Alright, let's turn that down. So this is your Honda display. Everything up here is digital. That's one thing about this. Here is another lane departure feature. You can turn that on and off. I'm not sure if it vibrates the steering wheel or not when you're crossing into lanes. I have to do some more research on there. If y'all know about this vehicle, if you have one, put it down in the comments. Let me know what all this different stuff is. So I can offer the best review to you guys. But like I said, soft touch, nice leather wrap steering wheel, very nice features here. Check this thing out. Look at this big screen, touch screen, navigation, Honda features. You can pick what Honda dealership you're near, just in case you have a service issue or anything of that nature. Look at this, very fast touch screen here. You can go through, connect your smartphone here, all kind of stuff, navigation. Let's check out the navigation. View map. So it's a 3D map. Look at this. It's just absolutely gorgeous. You got all your basic air conditioning controls here. You got a lot of storage down here. All right. Look at this high definition camera. With proximity. Look, okay. So y'all see that. I'm turning the wheel. So the reverse camera actually turns with the steering wheel. Watch this. See, I'm turning the wheel. So that's a nice safety feature. All right, so I'm gonna turn my hazard blinkers off and I'm gonna put on my turn signal, okay? So that camera that I told you that's in the right mirror here actually fused back to the right side of the vehicle. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna turn that off. That's the turn signal off, y'all. Okay, turn it back on. There's your camera. This is a blind spot camera. Not to be mistaken or not used with this camera and or that camera. Let's make that clear. This is just an extra safety feature. It's a blind spot camera. So just make sure that you check your surroundings, ladies, fellas, whoever you are, and make sure that your surroundings are clear first. So down here, you got your basic air conditioning controls here. I got the air on, it feels good too. You got your dual mode air conditioner, you got your heated rear mirror, rear glass, defrost up here, and you have heated mirrors that you can turn on here. You have heated seats with 3 heat seat settings. High, medium, low, off. They are not cooled, but they are heated, which is a nice feature to have anyway. Here, same thing on the passenger side. Here is your gear shifter. Very nice feel to it. It has paddle shaft shifters as well, so you can change the gears here. All right. It's got an emergency. It looks like it's got a trans brake here, brake hold. I'm not getting into that right now, but you got your parking brake. Most vehicles these days have electronic parking brakes, which is what this is right here. You got your economy button, and it shows up here if you just want to get the most out of your fuel economy. If you want to get this thing really running, put it down in sport. It is turbocharged, you guys. Just like that Honda CR-V I did a little while over at Craft Nissan. It is turbocharged, so this thing is running. When I tell you this is as close as you can get to a SI Honda Civic, this is what it is. So here's your center console. Got a lot of space here. Man, look at all this space here. Got your trays, removable trays. Got your cup holders here. Boom, boom, boom. Like I said, it's just a nice place. You got tweeters all in the door panels back there, as you can see right here. This is for the rear. Look at this black leather. Looks absolutely amazing. Also, while y'all get a chance, please subscribe to my channel, hashtag JRideReviews on YouTube. You can check this review out on the Used Car Supermarket's business page. Just check it out there. I'll post it there. They'll move it on to the main community page so y'all can see it. More of my Tallahassee fans, Tallahassee people that are here, if you're looking for this vehicle. Also, you can see it on Twitter. I'll post it on Patreon. I'm going to post it on my Facebook. I paste the YouTube link to my Facebook page. Obviously going to be on YouTube. So y'all just check it out. Wherever y'all see this, please come by today. Don't let what's going on in the world dictate what you want to do for yourself and for your family. Come over here and see Wayne, Robbie, all the guys over here at the Used Car Supermarket. They are willing and able to let you see this vehicle. It's going to be out on the front row up front. And, you know, just come by and see them. Tell them you saw it on JRideReviews. And like I told you, make these keys your keys. Why not? I mean, enjoy your life, man. Don't be scared. Fear weakens the immune system. Enjoy your life. Stay prayed up. Keep doing what you're doing. But be careful. Be safe while you're doing what you're doing. That's the only thing that you got to do, folks. And let God handle the rest. He blessed me with the ability to do this, the new job. Everything's the best it can be. My family's well. Hope your family is well. The Used Car Supermarket, their family as well. So let's do this thing, man. Enjoy your life. I mean, throughout this interior, you're going to have to come and see this thing yourself. There is so much stuff in here. All these different storage compartments down here by my leg. I mean, this thing is brand new. 7,000 miles, y'all. So let's hop into this back seat here. Here, also, power driver seat, power passenger seat. There you go. You can see that the buttons there. I'm gonna hop into this back seat. I'm 6 foot. I've never sat in a Honda Civic hatchback, but why not? Let's check it out. I'm getting old, y'all. I'm getting old. All right, so here we go. Plenty of room back here in the back seat. Look at that, 6'1". This is where I'll have my seat driving this thing when I drove it around here to my spot. Here is the interior view. Look at that beautiful, beautiful Honda display. I mean, you got your push button start up there, as y'all can see, bright red. You got all your stuff here. Look at this center console, big mirror, really big sunroof up there. Very nice. Look at this, man. Man, boy, look at here. If I would have just waited a little while longer, this would have been in my driveway today. And I'm not coughing because I got whatever going around. Here's your rear cup holders back here. These seats fold down. You got tons of room back here in the back. Like I told y'all, it's a hatchback. Got a nice spoiler on the back. I mean, this thing is very nice. So this is my point of view of the vehicle. I want you guys to come by here and check this thing out yourself. Let me know what you think down in the comments. If you need any more information, price and all that stuff, give my guys over here at the Used Car Supermarket, Wayne, Randy, Robbie, Earl Ray, all the guys, give them a shout. 850-575-6702. Schedule your appointment to come by and see it. Just come by and see it. Why not? Why not? Get what you want. Enjoy life. So, like I told y'all, it has a subwoofer back there in the back. Got all your tweeters here in the door panel. Soft leather touches here. Look at this. Look at this nice stitching. This leather is what's on the seats. Very nice. And very nice car. So I'm gonna let y'all check out this rear hatch one more time while I'm here still. Let y'all see what I see. Come by used car supermarket today. And check out this Honda Civic hatchback. I'm not coughing, y'all. I'm being crazy. Y'all know me, this is how I roll. So, here is your rear area again, like I told y'all. Got to pull over a little thingy-majigger here. Keep your stuff private. Got your spare down yonder. Fold down seats. Got your tethers for baby seats and all that stuff like that. Here's your subwoofer. Very nice. Like I said again, there's your reverse camera. Let me let y'all look at this one more time, man, before y'all make any decisions about what y'all want to do or what you don't want to do. Very nice car. So, without further ado, there go the phone ringing. See? You see? That could be you calling. That could be you calling. That could be you calling. Come check this car out. Make a phone call. Come see the guys. So, like I always tell y'all, be good. And if you ain't gonna be good, please. My name ain't James Bond, but please be good at it. Write down in the comments what you think. Honda Civic Touring Sport Gunmetal Gray. I don't stutter, but in the famous words of me, please come by and see the guys and check out this Honda Civic today, tomorrow, this week, whenever you get a chance. Put down in the comments what you think about this Honda Civic. What y'all think about my reviews, man? All right, man. God bless you. God keep you. Do not be fearful. Stay prayed up. Get what you want. You work hard for it every day. And just go from there. Thank y'all.